Hello students, class 8 CBSE students, welcome here. I am Manoj Panda from I-2012. So today we'll discuss this chapter, comparison chapter, mathematics. Okay, today we'll discuss only all the formulas. What are the formulas related in this comparison chapter? First start off here, that is selling price. SP, CP, profit loss, profit percent, loss percent, and that part. So this is your SP. SP is equal to 100 plus profit, 100 plus P% divided by 100 into CP. Okay, this is your SP. So SP is equal to this one. Again, SP is equal to 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into CP. Okay, write down. Now this is here CP. Now SP. Here SP again. Okay, so this is your SP is equal to CP plus profit, CP plus profit, and SP is equal to CP minus loss. Okay, so in this case, if in this case SP is greater than CP, yes or no? So in this case CP is greater than SP, CP is greater than SP. So SP, 4 SP. So SP is 100 plus P% divided by 100 into CP. Then SP is 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into CP. Look at the board. I'm just writing. I'm telling. So rapidly telling. Just try to understand. So this is SP. SP is equal to CP plus profit. SP is equal to CP plus CP minus loss. So SP stands for selling price. Cost. CP stands for cost price. P percent, profit percent. L percent, loss percent. So this is your what? SP. Now similarly CP. So 1, 2, 3, 4 CP. Very easily you can understand this here. What? From SP. If this formulas you understood clearly, then I hope you can understand CP. So CP is equal to SP into 100. CP is equal to 100 into SP divided by 100 plus P%, right? So next 100 into SP divided by 100 minus loss percent. Then CP is equal to SP minus profit. Okay, then CP is equal to SP plus loss. Is it clear? So look at here. This is SP, 4 CP. Now remember, and write and remember. Today only this 5 minutes, 2 minutes you have to remember forever. Then only you can act for next questions, or you can do the more questions related in these formulas, right? So are you getting or not me? This is I'm telling rapidly, also I can tell slowly, don't worry for that. So this is SP, selling price, equal to 100 plus P% means profit percent, divided by 100 into CP means cost price. Now similarly 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into CP. Now SP is equal to CP plus profit, then SP is equal to CP minus loss, then CP is equal to 100 into SP divided by 100 minus loss percent, or CP is equal to 100 into SP divided by 100 plus P%. Then CP is equal to SP minus profit, then CP is equal to SP plus loss. So this is gone. Then profit equal to CP minus SP. Then this is profit equal to SP minus CP, because CP is greater. Okay, so profit is equal to SP minus CP. Then loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, so I'll discuss everything. This chapter when I'll teach, then you can understand very clearly. This is only this class for formulas. So some students told me, sir, all the formulas one class you just take. So I will take. Okay. So now this is your SP. How many SPs? 4 SPs there. 4 SP, 4 CP, and 4 profit percent, loss percent, profit and loss. 4. SP4, CP4. Profit loss, profit percent, profit loss percent. These which are. So that is equal to also 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11. Here profit percent P by CP into 100. Loss percent, loss by CP into 100, right? So this is related to some formulas: selling price, cost price, and profit percent, loss percent, and profit and loss. Okay, now SI, simple interest SI is equal to PTR by 100. Clear? P for principal, T for time. Write down. P for principal, T for time, R for rate of interest. Rate of interest. P for principal, T for time, S for SI for simple interest. Now P, only P, SI into 100, R into T, only R, SI into 100, that P into PR. Just R is given means PT. So PTR here also PTR, right? Now PT time is equal to, this is equal to R into T and SI into 100. So this is related to simple interest, simple interest, principal, time, rate of interest. These formulas. Then some formulas related here, compound interest, CI. So here also one more formula, I forgotten. Here I have one more formula, that is amount. Amount is equal to SI plus P, and SI is equal to A minus P. Are you getting? Okay, this is a simple interest, compound interest, a simple interest, amount and principal. Then and P is equal to A minus SI. So A SIP. Okay, this is also one more formulas. This is this is always in simple interest. In this simple interest topic, that part this formula is there. In profit and loss and selling price, cost price, is that part this formula is there, and compound interest. So CI, so CI is equal to amount minus P, also there. Okay, so this is one formulas, and this is also another formulas. This is also formulas. Okay, so this is one formulas. This is also some formulas here, and now we'll discuss compound interest. What is compound interest? Here compound A minus C, and A is equal to, in this case, 1 plus R by 2 to N. So here only CI is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N minus 3. So finally P is taken as common, 1 plus R by 100 to the power N minus 1. So this is also compound interest. This is compound interest yearly. Then if you turn to half yearly, every half year how the interest is compounded, half yearly, compounded, annually. Okay, the topic I'll teach, don't worry. This is only formulas you write. First formulas write. Then one by one, when you use the formulas, then you can understand, and you can also solve the problems related to these formulas. But only remembering the formula is not sufficient. But only I'm just why? Because you have to remember first, then utilize. So several times if you utilize the formulas, then you can get the answer easily, and you can also do the problems. You can solve the problems by using these formulas properly. Okay, so now this is CI, and but this is what? This is for yearly and half yearly. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2n. Then amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 400 to the power 4n. So this is your what? This is your half yearly. This is your half yearly, and this is your yearly, right? So finished. This is all about the formulas. Class 7 also, class 8 also. 7, 8 both you can get this formulas, and remember this. So next video, after this next video, I'll do this percentage. Okay, continuously watch my videos, definitely you'll be benefited. If any doubt anyone, definitely you ask and give the comments, no problem. And also I am going to start online classes free of cost. Only the admission fees is there. So online classes, if you want to need, then immediately give a comment, and also give details. I will proceed. Okay, so thank you. You got it.